If you've ever asked ChatGPT a question and thought, that answer is way too short, you're not alone. The good news is that there are a few simple ways to get much longer, more detailed responses without guessing or constantly rewording your prompt. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get longer answers from ChatGPT using a few powerful prompting techniques that work fast and are easy to repeat. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials. All right, let's get into it. The first and easiest method is to specify the word count. Instead of asking a vague question like, explain SEO, give ChatGPT a clear length target. For example, you can say, write a 1,000-word explanation of SEO, or explain SEO in 1,000 words with a table of pros and cons. When you do that, you're giving the model a structure and a goal, which usually leads to a much fuller response. The more specific you are, the better the output tends to be. A great tip here is to combine length with format. So instead of only asking for a long answer, ask for a long answer plus examples, bullet points, comparisons, or a table. That extra direction helps ChatGPT expand naturally instead of just stretching out the same idea with filler. For example, you could ask, write a 1,000-word guide to email marketing with examples, common mistakes, and a summary table. That kind of prompt gives the model room to produce a more useful answer. The second technique is the expand command. If ChatGPT gives you something that's good, but too short, don't start over right away. Just reply with, expand on every point made above with more detail and examples. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to get a longer answer from the same conversation. You can also say, go deeper on each section, or add more context, examples, and practical tips. The key is to tell it exactly what kind of expansion you want. This works especially well when you already have a solid first draft. Instead of asking for a completely new answer, you're asking ChatGPT to build on what it already wrote. That saves time and often gives you a much better final result. If the tone feels too shallow, you can also add instructions like, make it more detailed for beginners, or include more real-world examples. The third method is multi-step drafting. This is one of the best ways to get long, structured answers, especially for more complex topics. Instead of asking ChatGPT to write everything at once, first ask for an outline. Then, once you like the outline, ask it to write each section one by one. For example, you might say, create a detailed outline for a 1,500-word article about content marketing, and then follow up with, now write section 1 in full. This approach helps because it forces the model to think in layers. First, it plans the answer, then it expands each part. That usually gives you more depth, better organization, and fewer missed points. It also makes it easier to control the final length because you can keep asking it to elaborate until each section reaches the detail level you want. If you need a long blog post, script, report, or guide, this method is extremely useful. The fourth technique is using the continue option. Sometimes ChatGPT starts giving a long answer, but it cuts off before finishing. When that happens, you can click continue generating or simply type continue in the chat. This tells ChatGPT to pick up from where it left off. If the answer is still too short after that, you can keep going with another prompt like continue and add more examples, or finish the remaining points in the same level of detail. This is especially helpful for long-form content. Instead of losing progress, you can keep the flow going and build a much larger response. It's a very simple trick, but a lot of people forget to use it. If the model stops too early, don't treat that as the final answer. Just continue the conversation and guide it further. Now, if you want the best results, try combining all four methods. Start with a specific word count, ask for a clear format, use the expand command if needed, and break the task into steps when the topic is complex. That combination gives ChatGPT much better instructions and usually produces longer, more useful answers every time. Here's a quick example you can copy. You could say, write a 1,200-word beginner-friendly explanation of SEO. Include examples, a pros and cons table, and a conclusion. If the answer is too short, expand each section with more detail. That prompt is clear, specific, and easy for ChatGPT to follow. It doesn't leave much room for guessing, which is exactly what you want. So remember, if you want longer answers from ChatGPT, don't just ask broad questions. Give a word count, ask for expansion, use multi-step drafting, and continue the response when needed. Those simple changes can make a huge difference in the quality and depth of the output. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips, AI tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.